Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own watch movement cufflinks using some old mechanical watches. There are loads of watch movement lookalike cufflinks available online, but these ones are made using real watch movements taken out of an actual watch. To start off, you'll need to find two old mechanical watches with identical mechanisms. A good place to start is to go down to your local watch repair shop or jeweler and ask them if they have any old movements lying around. They don't need to be working anymore, so jewelers will usually be happy to give you a few or sell them for quite cheap. You can also buy old damaged movements online. If the movements haven't already been removed, you'll need to take the movements along with the face out of the watch. Next, use a flat tip screwdriver or tweezers to remove the hour and minute hands from the watch face. Now insert your screwdriver between the mechanism and the face and gently pry the face away from the mechanism. It doesn't really matter if you damage the face or part of the mechanism, as this is going to be the back side of the cufflink. Once the mechanism is free, you'll need to make the back face flat by removing the hour hand cog and the shaft which drove the minute hand. Pry the cog off with your screwdriver, and then use the side cuts or clippers to cut the shaft off flush with the back face. Now repeat this process for the second watch mechanism. Next you'll need to get some blank cufflinks. These are also widely available online. You'll need a pair with at least a 6mm diameter blank plate. Use superglue or epoxy to glue the blank plate on the cufflink to the back of the mechanism. Allow the glue to dry or cure and your cufflinks are now ready to wear. They also make a great gift which you can complete by putting into a small cufflink or jewelry box.